Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about life cycle of Wuchereria bancrofti and its control. Just a minute. Okay. So Wuchereria bancrofti is a protozoonic parasite which is a protozoan. It is also known as filarial worm. It cause the disease is called as filariasis. It is an endoparasite which found in internal organ or internal surface of its host, and also it is digenetic. It requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. The adult worms are generally transparent and long hair-like structure. Generally, male is smaller, which measures about 25 to 40 mm, and female is larger, which measure about 80 to 100 mm respectively. As per the life cycle is concerned, it requires two hosts, that is human being and Culex mosquito. Out of these two hosts, human is a definitive host in which they sexually mature, and Culex mosquito is an intermediate host in which its larval stages completed. Generally, the copulation takes place in lymph glands of its definitive host, that is man or human, and female worms are viviparous. They lay or delivers larvae, and that larvae is called as microfilary. This microfilary is, after laying its mother, enter into the bloodstream of its definitive host, and after entering into bloodstream they stay in the bloodstream without any developmental changes and wait to enter its intermediate host, that is mosquito. Now we can see development of this microfilary in its intermediate host, that is mosquito. Generally, during the entrance, microfilary is sheathed one. It's having a sheath. After entering in its intermediate host, the sheath ingested by mosquito during its blood meal, and after entering they cast off their sheaths quickly with the help of some digestive enzymes, and it penetrate into the gut wall of its intermediate host. Then within 1 to 2 hours it migrate to the thoracic muscles, and here they rest and start to grow. The next 2 days, first stage larva, which having short spiky tail, is developed, and it measures about 124 to 250 micrometer in length and 10 to 17 micrometer in width. After first instar, next 3 to 7 days, the larva grows rapidly, molts either once or twice, and at the end it measures about 225 to 330 micrometer in length and 15 to 30 micrometer in width. It is a second stage larva. Then on 10th to 11th day, the metamorphosis is complete. Tail is degenerated or denatured and development of body cavity, genital organ and digestive system is takes place. It measures about 1500 to 2000 micrometer in length and 18 to 23 micrometer in width. It is the infective stage or third stage microfilary which enters to its definitive host during the biting of mosquito. Firstly, it enters to the proboscis sheath of mosquito and then it enters to its definitive host. Now there are two ways to enter its definitive host. When the mosquito bites, they deposit third stage larva near the site of puncture. The larvae either enter through puncture wound or it also penetrate through the skin on their own. The penetrated larvae is reach to lymphatic channels and settle down at some spot like inguinal, scrotal or abdominal lymphatics. And here they begin to grow into adult forms. And probably after 5 to 18 months, they become sexually mature. The male fertilizes the female and female give birth to larvae because it is viviparous. A new generation of microfilary is releases through the thoracic duct or the right lymphatic duct to venous system and pulmonary capillaries. And lastly, it enter peripheral circulation, thus they complete their life cycle. After that, it enters to its intermediate host, that is mosquito. So here the diagrammatic representation of the life cycle of filarial worm Wuchereria bancrofti. Now there are some pathological condition of infected by these parasite. In a mild infection, it cause fever, headache and mental depression. But in heavy infection, they block the lymphatic vessels and its glands because the main food is lymph. and they are found in lymphatic channels, lymphatic vessels, and so on. And due to that blockage, lymph cannot back to the circulatory system, and due to that the affected organ enormously enlarge, and that condition is called as filariasis or elephantiasis. When affected organ is enormously enlarged or swell, this condition is called as lymphoedema. When it affects the lymph nodes, called lymphadenitis, and when it affects lymph vessels, called lymphadenitis. It also caused epididymis and related area in a male is called as hydrocele. This is the condition of filariasis or elephantiasis. So now the prevention and control of that parasite. So control the vector. It is a prevention either by using mosquito repellent, nets, destruction of breeding places, spraying insecticides, and removal of unnecessary vegetation around the houses. Then there are some treatment is available, heterazine and compounds of antimony and arsenic are used to reduce the microfilari from the circulatory system. These are some treatment: diethyl carbamazine, combination of DEC and albendazole, combination of DEC and ivermectin, and finally surgery and careful hygiene. So this is about the life cycle and control of Wuchereria bancrofti. Thank you.